No, run! Come here! You come here. You don't run. Don't sit. That was creepy. He just stopped. Yeah, you're good. Shut up! I don't like you no more. He's mean. He's a bad dog. Oh, you're not that bad. Are you okay? Are you having a seizure or something? Sing. Sing for me. Or not. Okay. Stare at me. Oh my god, you blew out the thingy I was gonna get. Aww. Stop following me, you stalker. I'm gonna blow out this thingy. Can't see the little fluffs, I don't think, but they fluffed away. They fluffed away. Anyway, for you people out there that think I'm high, no, I'm not high, I'm just really weird. So, anyway, okay, that was me on a random adventure chasing my dogs. I guess I'll just go now, okay? Bye!